nice. I like that, yeah. Hello guys!
What's up? And they're very hungry also.
Yes, and Miss Manli managed to give me an apple, which is awesome.
And so firstly, tell me your film is all set to hit the theaters in a few days. Tell me right now, do you guys have enough 100 rupee notes in your wallet?
Yeah, I did actually. That's why I gave my wallet to him. कि 100 रुपए में क्या लेगा वो?
अरे बहुत कुछ लेगा वो.
Sorry, है सब कुछ मिला for 2 days. So on a serious note, how is it going? What's on your mind?
On a serious note, which note? 500 note or 1000 note?
None of these. What's on your mind right now? Are you guys excited, nervous, under pressure? What's happening?
Everything. It's a mixed bag of emotions. We are excited because we want the film to go out and people to watch it, you guys to watch it. But of course, we're also nervous because we're waiting, anticipating how people are going to react, what is going to be the response. So tell us how you guys like it.
My brain is absolutely not functioning. I'm just here to have fun.
Did you just call yourself Ashim 5 minutes back?
And I'm not
He
Ashim.
just
just
did,
so you
yes.
know.
Aditya just called himself Ashim 5 minutes back. So that's how brain damaging the promotion has been.
Okay, so we are very well acquainted to you.
Yeah.
We don't know much about you guys. Can
Yeah.
you please tell a little more about yourself?
That's the super funny, witty. You know what happens when Ashim is in a room, you can't really have a dull moment. So Ashim is that boy from Delhi who charms women around.
But that is.
Yes. Aditya is like the sporty, funky, six packs, dimply, sure dimples.
I was waiting for the act.
One more time.
Alright.
Dimply from Mumbai.
Yeah.
So Delhi and Mumbai.
Okay.
The Dallas.
The Delhi, the Mumbai's.
And now can you both yourself?
Yes, do that.
I'm just the makeup of my wall.
No, you guys have to talk about yourself.
She said pretty much everything
Really?
from. Yeah, what else? Yeah, from Bombay.
How did
मैं दिल्ली से आया हूँ. मेरे को बॉम्बे आए हुए 4 साल हो गए और बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रगल रही है, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और finally we backed this movie called Tumben 2 and I'm very fortunate to be a part of this and now it's just been a roller coaster ride because we've been promoting the film and now closer to the date we're anxious, we're excited, we're very nervous. It's just a mix of all these emotions and as a matter of fact now numb. I don't feel anything and it hasn't even sunk in properly. I think the only time it's going to sink in is when I'm going to be at the theatres watching myself on the big screen where I've always gone and seen other films. Now it's time to see my own film. So it's very exciting.
Yeah, and I'm not going to answer these kind of questions. I'm just here to have fun on Miss Malini because it is supposed to be fun.
Alright. No, but I'm still going to ask you questions before the fun part.
And I'm just going to answer very funny way. Huh? I might just give you vague answers. What's my name? I'll say Bombay.
Okay.
I'll give you very vague answers.
Alright, so the film has been shot in really beautiful locations.
Yes.
And you guys are looking great. And you know, in beautiful outfits, you are dancing in the snow and you guys are romancing each other, not each other.
Yeah. But there was a lot of each other off screen.
Off-screen.
Yeah.
It's a set
Wow.
romance.
There was romance on screen and then there was
Romance
romance
off
off screen.
So tell me about your experience. How was it shooting for the quintessential romantic Bollywood number?
First of all, we have to give credit to Yuvan, who's the DOP of our film, the cinematographer. He shot everything so beautifully, so the credit goes to him. Of course, it was really cold, and it's not a great experience when you see the snow and you have to do all that.
And you are very like...
Yeah, it's not easy at all. But the bigger picture in mind, we're making a romantic film, so we had a blast shooting for it. Our own Shah Rukh Khan moment in the film.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a question.
I have actually lots of requests. You're being called the Apple Boy, I must tell you. So, a lot of requests for the Apple Boy to also show his abs.
I don't have any abs there, but like मेरे abs बहुत हैं, but मेरे abs नहीं.
Only people from Delhi understand that joke. No.
I don't have any abs just yet.
That's it.
Okay. And so tell me, what is the most memorable memory for you guys from the
From
set?
this film. Lots of it actually. It was a very good experience shooting for this film. There was a day when they pulled a prank on you, which is not very easy. They know them, like the whole team. Obviously, they kind of helped them to do that.
Oh.
Usually, I'm not the person who gets pranked.
Perpetrators.
So yeah, that happened. I have to get back at them soon.
Okay, I thought it would have been the other way around.
I know. You know the thing is, every film I felt like a newcomer. This was my opportunity to drag them, bully them. But I'm just like, you know,
Not to try.
I'm just waiting कि तुम में टू का एक और sequel बन जाए. तुम में 3 and I get to bully them.
Okay.
Cast is
and-
enemy.
Yeah.
So the songs are really beautiful. Each
What
of
is
you,
your favorite?
dekh lena.
Okay.
So which one is your each of your favorites and hum a line?
Oh God. Right.
I'm alive.
No, that's Ashim's favorite thing because Ashim को हर जगह गाना. He would be a singer otherwise,
Yeah, मैं गाएगा.
if not an actor.
मैं गाएगा. So and since you said देख लेना obviously उसमें एक बड़ी खूबसूरत लड़की है और एक अच्छा सा handsome सा लड़का. End में एक और handsome लड़का है. But yeah देख लेना तो क्या होगा तुम्हारे?
Please.
क्या होगा?
क्या था शुरू से? हाँ मैं बारिश हो जाऊंगा तुम बादल हो जाओगी देख लेना इतना तुमको चाहूंगा तुम पागल हो जाओगी देख लेना बस अपना नेक्स्ट
Apple Boy is very talented. I
And
must
also
say.
lots of hearts for Apple Boy have appeared.
Nice
Thank you.
one. Does it say all women or all girls?
I don't know, like lots of heart reactions. Both.
He has no gender bias.
That's
Also getting, everyone's telling me that Neha Sharma ma'am is looking very wonderful.
When is she not? When is she not?
When is she not? And also Neha, if you could tell Dinesh,
Should I show my app?
if you want,
नहीं मैं नहीं देखता
No, go on.
Vinay wants to know how do you think Tumbe 2 is different than Tumbe 1?
Oh, it's very different. First of all, it's got the 3 of us and not the original cast. It's a totally different story. That was 15 years back. It's 2016, so a lot of difference. And of course, we try to do our own thing here. So I want you guys to go see it and tell us how different did you find it and did you like it.
okay. You were going to sing the song, your favorite number.
See, it's a request to all those people who have a problem listening to Besura Gana. Please stuff something in your ear because I'm not taking responsibility for it, but I have to do it for Uncle Angel here. So I'm going to try and give it a shot. Okay, I'm going to sing now Teri Faryad. You'll do Ishq Mubarak, right?
Of course. Of course.
जागते जागते एक उम्र कटी हो जैसे तेरी फरियाद मेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे
Say what? That was
Very
beautiful.
nice, yeah. And this song is supposed to make us cry and all, but
It is a very soulful song. It is.
yes,
It is.
but he's not letting us feel it.
Just ignore it.
Now your turn.
I'm gonna sing Ishq Mubarak.
मैं beat दूँ?
Beach में.
Which is also one of my favorite songs.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah.
Where do you want to start? You want to start?
ऐ मेरे दिल में. Because I'm gonna.
Yeah, go ahead.
ऐ मेरे दिल मुबारक हो यही तो प्यार है इश्क मुबारक दर्द मुबारक इश्क मुबारक दर्द मुबारक
Wow, such beautiful, painful songs are getting a makeover here. Okay, lastly, why should we watch the movie?
Why shouldn't you?
Yeah,
I mean, you know, all 3 of us are in it. We worked very hard on it. Jokes apart, it's a yeah.
Watch it for this.
And also he's going to show his act in the film a lot more and not many times. But apart from all those, I think it's a beautiful story. It's a beautiful love story. And if you love the idea of love, you love the idea of falling in love, you love the idea of being in love, this is a film to celebrate love. So please go with all the loved ones that you can. It's a family film on the 18th of November. Do not forget.
And it's a very relatable story. The most important thing I think of Tummin 2 is, and also Tummin 1, of course, you'll be able to relate to Tummin 2, is the fact that it's more about the old school romance that everybody kind of seeks, and they long for it somewhere deep down they want it, which because the times have changed now and people kind of, the idea of romance has changed, so it's going to take you back to the time when you probably would have been through a certain situation, and then you'll be able to relate to it and be like, I've been in that. I've probably, there have been times where I've felt like that. So it's a very relatable story, told in a very beautiful way, and we worked very hard on it. So just please come and give us all your love.
And it's got Neha Sharma. It's a very big reason.
And Aditya Seal and Ashim Gulati.
And then
I said it because I don't know.
Before we get into the game, just lots of love coming in for you, Neha. Everyone's wishing everyone lots of love and love for your film, and like surprising number of people find both the boys very, very cute. So that's also
Why is it surprising?
Always
Why is it surprising?
because it just anyway. Okay, we're gonna get to the game and we will be right back.
If you like this video,
Like.
and subscribe. Yeah.